Catherine Bernardo update. Ayan yung kakambal ni Catherine. Yung wax figure niya. Ayan o. Masaya yung mga fans niya na makita yung wax figure ni Catherine. Ayan, nireveal na nga dyan. Yung sa Glorera 2. Ayan si Catherine. Madang Research Hong Kong. Ayan dyan din yung parents ni Catherine. Ayan, tinawag na si Catherine. Excited na siya makita niya. The big reveal ng wax figure ni Catherine. Yun. Ang Catherine. Ang buwan na.
Okay, so we are going to do the photo opportunity moment in batches. Once again.
Very grateful. Thank you for selecting us for being one of the iconic celebrities to be included in her museum. Thank you very much on behalf of the family. That's all. Thank you very much.
Ayan na naiyak si Mother! Dito, okay lang po yan. Huwag po kayong mag-hide. Gusto po namin makita. Kasi ito po siya, this is your moment po, di ba? Kayo, share ba po ba kayo? Ano po ba kayo? Ano po yung first reaction niyo? Kasi kayo po pala yung na-receive ng deck. Kayo po pala yung unang nakatanggap at nakaalam. So, bring us back to that moment po. Ano po yung feeling ninyo as a mother? Nakita niyo si Catherine, you raised her, diba? Not just as a star.
Yan. Ano pala eh. Good. Mukhang makabukang talaga. Ano 3. Sa may wax figure. Galing.
Thank you. Bala po na yun.
Mga fans ni Catherine. Si Tita Long. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for my update. This is with your The Action Live. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.